Okay, this model kit review is of the Honda Gorilla, and there's the length of it there, and I believe it's a 1/12 scale model by Aoshima. It looks like a fun little model kit, and used to be called the Monkey. And some of the features here of the model and colors you'll need. So all in all, that some nice box art there. So let's have a look inside and see what we've got. First of all, let's open these sprues up here. So here are our tires. These are fairly soft but feel like vinyl. Got some nice tread on them, but you do have a mold line in the middle, so you should probably sand that off. We have lots of vinyl tubing as well for probably brake lines and so on. There's the let's see, there's the vinyl tubing, and then we have some chrome parts here. It's got some engine parts and some suspension parts, headlights and so on. There are our wheels and mirrors. Here's part of our frame, and there's the chain, headlight covers there, probably our fork here, these two parts, some more suspension parts there. Okay, some more chrome parts here. We've got looks like our exhaust and some hoses or pipes. Here's our fuel tank in white. We've got some mud guards there. Some suspension parts probably for the fork. There's the top of the fork there. Then we've got our seat. There's our handlebars. And then lots of little pieces to go here and there, engine parts and so on. Okay, let's have a look at, we've got some decals here, that looks like fun. And then some instructions. So, we do have some English here, maybe just instructions on what not to do. And then we've got our colors needed there. And that shows you that means to paint, and I guess that's what we're going to glue. Okay, so you're going to put the wheels together there, put together the rear, well, I guess part of the main frame, and then engine parts are going to go on there. So just make sure you remove the chrome points before gluing, putting on our suspension there, more engine parts going on. And then putting together the rear of this little bike, and then the seat as well as the fuel tank, foot pedals and so on. Here's for the other side, foot pedals, and then there's our exhaust. And here we've got some, this is the front fork going on, and the mudguard, headlight and so on. It's all mounted then to the main frame, handlebars. Now it shows you here, the final pipe shows you how to widen them with a toothpick, and you probably should glue them on, I guess. Let's see here, it shows you how to glue them, or what to, tells you what to glue them to, and there are quite a few. Quite a few of these pieces. It shows you the different lengths to cut them to. And then here is a list of the parts. It's kind of important here. A list of parts that aren't used. The one's in grey. So it's a fun little model kit. Looks like it's fairly well molded, and it's got some fun details.